Welcome dear students. We are dealing with mole concept. Now it is mole concept part 3. Mole concept part 3. In the first part we have dealt with how we can convert what is mole and how we can convert given weight into mole. Now using the mole, how we can calculate the number of molecules, that is number of particles, then how we can calculate number of electrons, then in the second part we dealt with the calculation of number of atoms, that how we can calculate the number of atoms given in any particular substance. Now we come on to the application of mole concept to the gaseous system. Application of mole concept for gaseous system. So there is a word called as normal pressure and there is a word called as normal temperature. Normal pressure, normal temperature. What is meant by normal pressure? It is 1 atmosphere, that is 760 mm. Normal temperature is 0 degrees centigrade, that is 273 Kelvin. So normal pressure is 1 atmosphere, that is 760 mm. Normal temperature is 0 degrees centigrade, that is 273 Kelvin. Together it is called as normal temperature pressure, in short called as NTP. Called as NTP. Now according to Avogadro's law, at normal temperature pressure, volume of 1 mole of any gas is always 22.4 liter. Volume of 1 mole of any gas is always 22.4 liter, that is 22400 ml. At normal temperature pressure, volume of 1 mole of any gas irrespective, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, SO2, etc. At normal temperature pressure, volume of 1 mole of every gas is 22.4 liter, that is 22400 ml. Now therefore we can say that based on number of moles the volume would be fixed. So if mole of gas is 1, then volume at NTP would be 22.4 liter. If mole of gas is 2, then volume at NTP would be 44.8 liter. If volume of gas is 3, then volume would be 67.2 liter, and so on. So which means that volume is directly proportional to number of mole. At normal temperature pressure, volume of gas is directly proportional to number of moles. As number of moles changes, the volume changes. Now let us deal with few examples. Suppose for hydrogen, the molecular mass is 2 AMU. For hydrogen, atomic mass is 2 AMU. This is the molecular weight. Therefore we say 2 grams. This is in AMU. When written in grams, it is termed as gram molecular mass. We have already discussed that atomic mass written in gram is called as gram atomic mass. Molecular mass written in grams is called as gram molecular mass, and gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass is termed as mole. So if I express this mass in grams, so 2 gram hydrogen is 1 mole hydrogen whose volume would be 22.4 liter. For nitrogen, the molecular mass is 28 AMU. This is the molecular weight. This is in AMU. If it is expressed in gram, will be termed as gram molecular mass. So therefore 28 grams nitrogen will be termed as 1 mole nitrogen, and its volume would be 22.4 liter at NTP.